Okay, well, welcome back everyone. Hopefully this will be the conclusion of this tutorial. I'll have to admit, these little things you have to really, for me, you really have to work with them, and it takes a little bit of time to get them bent right. But, you know, you may be able, if you have like a ring mandolin, you may be able to use one of those and wind it up and then slowly open up your circles. But I'm trying to do this with things that you can just go into one of the big box stores and buy, just simple things and no real special tools. So I just had to really work with it, and I actually just used this this here. You could also use probably maybe a paper towel holder. You're just going to need something sturdy that you can wrap your wire around. So I went ahead and got those done, and then and put on, and all in the world that I did was wrapped it around and then just connected it here, like you can see. Then on the inside of the carriage, I got to thinking, what am I thinking? This is a diaper cake, so use diapers. So I did use the washcloth still, except I rolled up 4 diapers. There's 2 on this end and 2 on this end, and I just rolled them in this and used some double-sided tape to stick it, and that'll be my little pillow roll. And then back here in the back, I'm still using the little headboard with diapers in there. And then it needed some height, so I just rolled up 5 diapers, put some washi tape on it, and put them down in there. And the reason it's an odd number is because this is oval. So I did that, and then I rolled up 2 more diapers down here in the end, down here. And then I had to work with this receiving blanket just a little bit, and I found that if I folded it into thirds, like if it was laid completely flat, and I folded it this way toward, you know, to the middle, and then this way to the middle, that gave me the right width that I needed. And then it was obviously too long, so I just keep folding it back, just like you would if you were making a, you know, making a bed or something. So that's what I did there. And so now what we're going to do is sit it on our wheels, and it may be easier for me to, and I have to tell you all something. I'm not sure that I'm crazy about this washi tape on the wheels. I think I may change that. I may get some more receiving blankets or some washcloths or something and cover it, or I may even take this. I had this gold tool. I don't even know where this came from. It may have came from Dollar Tree, and I may put that around the wheels or something. But I don't know. That's just, I want something else on there. So after I stop filming, I may very well change that up just a little bit and add a couple of more receiving blankets or something there. So if you see in the picture that these are different, that's why. So now, remember this pearl string? We're going to get us some tape, and we're going to make little things here, little curtains. So I'm just going to do it like right here in the middle. Tape it. Yeah, right there. And then I'm going to bring it back to about right here. I'm going to do several layers of this. So let's see. Bring it right here. Make this one just a little bit longer. just a tad bit longer than that. One for this side, one for that side. This side, do you see what I'm doing? I realize that I need to, okay. So you actually need two, one for this drape and one for this drape. The same size. And then now I'm going to do this one a little bit longer than that one. Okay. Okay, so here's my shortest one here. That would be this one. And I'll do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm just going to show you how I do this on this side. If I can tell you anything about this, take your time. I really feel rushed, and this isn't one of those that you should rush. You should actually just take your time and and enjoy it, and I think that it will go a lot smoother for you. Now I'm going to my next to longest one. The next to longest one, so it's this one. Well, there we go again. I just realized that that probably isn't going to work. If you can find pearls that are longer, that would be more effective, but this was all that I could find. There we go. Let's do our two longest one, and then we'll use those that, let's see. Yeah. You know what? I'm not trying to save these pearls, and they're not going to touch anything of the baby, so I'm going to hot glue these. Ow. Be careful, don't burn yourself. I suggest using low temperature hot glue too if you're doing it, because the high temp, first off, it's too hot and it's going to take forever for it to dry. Back to the tape. Maybe if I put tape and a little bit of hot glue there, how will that work? Oh, that's the ticket. Yeah. String of pearls is like twisted. Like I said, take your time. I'm trying to do this in a hurry because I am filming for you guys, and I know that you probably don't want to sit around and watch this all day. Okay, and then let's take these and a couple more. I don't know that they need to be that long. Let them hang down on the sides. I don't think that they need to be that long. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to attach these right here on the outside hanging down. So I'm doing that there. You can do that, and I'm doing it on both sides. And then on the front, I'm going to take pearls and, where's my little, so this is going to be my little guy who's going to pull the chariot or carriage. So I'm going to just take and, oops, back up here, little guy. Let me set this off over here for a minute because I'm not going to be able to show you. I'm going to attach pearls on, are those even? I'm going to attach pearls down here, and most pearls, if you take and put them on and then give them a twist, they'll interlock with one another most of the time. Yep, see, they did it. Do I want them like that and pulling? Yeah, just wrap it around his head a little bit, and then take it back. Take it back here, give it a cut, and go ahead and put these on here and twist the pearls themselves to get them to interlock with one another. And most of the time they'll stay because they're so tight. So there that is then. just trying to hurry here, not trying to not show you something. I feel like I've spent so much time on some of this meticulous stuff that if you all already have that, then you don't want to wait and watch me do it. Again, on those, you'll just use, you'll put, you know, if you want to put another string going down through there and take a little bit more time, because that's bugging me. Maybe I'm too much of a perfectionist, but then you'll let those dangle down here. And then what you'll need these crepe paper roses for is, I'm going to cut mine off, but I have a tutorial on this, and trust me, it goes much smoother than this one. I'm actually looking for those snippers right here. It goes much smoother than this does. But we're going to use them as hubcaps. So I'm just going to cut my skewers off to about, I don't know, give it a couple of inches. And cut those off. And then I'm going to stick them in here. And those are our hubcaps. And here you go. I'll go ahead and do another one. I can't really see. Let's see if I can look down here. There we go. You just kind of tuck it in there and do your roses like that, and that's it. I'll do these on the other side. So let me look around to see if that's it. Yes, that's it. That I will put in the first part of this series. I'll put everything that I used. I'll go through and count everything to where you'll know exactly what I used. And like I said, I have a feeling that I'm going to change these right here just a little bit. Not change the diapers or any way that I made them, but I think I'm going to go through and cover these with some receiving blankets or washcloths or something. So in the picture it may look just a tad bit different than what it does here, just because of that. And if there's anything that I learned about this project, it's slow down, take your time, be patient with it, and don't try to rush through. I tried to rush through so that you all wouldn't be bored to death, but you know, that's just part of filming. But I do hope that you try it, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I see another little issue that I have right here that I'm going to have to take care of too. Good old tape. But anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. And I was trying to raise you up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. I hope that you have fun making one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.